The liquid that boils and freezes at the same time, it shouldn't exist. But science caught it red-handed. Imagine pouring a liquid onto a hot plate, and instead of boiling away, it starts freezing too. Sounds like a glitch in reality, right? Nope. This liquid is absolutely real, and scientists actually use it. Here's the wild truth about a phenomenon that breaks every rule. This freaky behavior happens at something called the triple point. It's the exact temperature and pressure where a substance can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas all at once, not flip between them, literally coexist. It's like nature's cheat code for bending physics. For water, that triple point happens at 0.01 degrees Celsius and 611.657 pascals of pressure. That's ridiculously precise and super rare outside of labs. But when it's achieved, you get something straight out of sci-fi. Boiling and freezing happening at the exact same moment. The star of our bizarre show? Water. Yep, boring old hydrogen oxide becomes a science rebel at its triple point. Under ultra-controlled lab conditions, it defies logic. Imagine a droplet on a surface that simultaneously bubbles and hardens into ice, like a tiny sci-fi world playing out in a petri dish. It's not magic, it's thermodynamics. The trick is manipulating both temperature and pressure to that razor-thin triple-point window. And when you hit it just right, you get a physics paradox right before your eyes. So, this boil-freeze combo is real. But how do scientists even pull this off? First, they use a vacuum chamber to drop the air pressure to nearly nothing. Then they adjust the temperature by fractions of a degree. One mistake, and it all collapses. But when done right, the moment you introduce water, it freezes and boils at the same time. This isn't just a stunt. It's used in physics experiments and even calibration standards for thermometers. That's right. The triple point of water is an international temperature reference. You're boiling and freezing with official approval. It all comes down to energy balance. Normally, heat adds energy to water, turning it into vapor. Cold removes energy, freezing it. But at the triple point, the molecular energy is just right to allow all three phases to be stable. Some molecules want to evaporate, some want to freeze, and others are like, nah, I'm chill here. So you end up with this insane equilibrium. It's like watching a crowd at a concert. Some are dancing, others are sitting, and some are just vibing. Except it's water, doing everything at once. Want to witness this madness in real time? Scientists record the triple point in action with slow-motion cameras. The footage looks fake. Water boils from the bottom, freezes from the top, and just hangs there in limbo. It's mesmerizing. It doesn't switch between states, it lives in all of them. Viewers often assume it's CGI, but nope, just a perfect balance of pressure and heat. The catch? If you breathe on it, bump it, or even blink too hard, the entire equilibrium collapses. Here's the kicker. Every substance has a triple point, not just water. Carbon dioxide, for example, turns into a solid directly from gas called sublimation, because its triple point sits at weird pressure levels. Even exotic substances like helium and mercury behave differently. But water is the most dramatic. That's why it's often used in physics classes. It's accessible, relatable, and absolutely bananas under lab conditions. You might wonder, if water can do this, why don't we see it in real life? Simple. Earth's natural pressure and temperature are almost never exactly right. The triple point requires conditions more precise than most weather stations can even measure. You'd need a mountaintop, an underground cave, and a vacuum chamber, all in one. That's why this wild event stays trapped in labs, not in your kitchen sink. Here's where it gets cool. NASA uses triple-point studies to understand how liquids behave in zero gravity. On other planets, pressure and temperature are wildly different. Mars, for example, has such low pressure that water evaporates instantly, even if it's frozen. Studying triple-point behavior helps scientists figure out how to manage fuel, water, and oxygen in space missions. One tiny droplet can reveal how alien environments might mess with survival. Okay, real talk. Can you try this at home? Technically, yes, but also no. You'd need a vacuum pump, thermometer accurate to hundredths of a degree, and a super stable lab setup. One wrong move, and you'll either just boil the water or flash freeze it. YouTubers have tried it, but usually with close enough visuals. So unless your kitchen looks like a research lab, best leave this experiment to the pros. The triple point wasn't discovered yesterday. It dates back to 1873, when physicist James Clerk Maxwell theorized multiple states could coexist. Later, Pierre Curie and others confirmed it through insane precision experiments. At the time, it sounded like alchemy. Yet today, we rely on it to define exact temperature scales, especially in industrial labs and space programs. Here's a fun twist. Scientists consider the triple point of water to be the most stable temperature reference in existence. Why? Because it never changes, no matter what year it is. So if you were a time traveler and needed to check if your gear worked, just make water hit the triple point. Boom! Instant calibration. This isn't just science flexing for fun. Triple point studies help build better technology, from cryogenic medicine to food freeze, drying, and even space travel. Engineers use this knowledge to fine-tune cooling systems, control vacuum environments, and develop climate sensors that monitor the planet's future. One bizarre droplet? It shapes a lot more than you'd expect. Think this is weird? Wait till you meet helium-2. Below 2.17 Kelvin, it becomes a superfluid that climbs walls and defies gravity. It's like triple point's cooler, weirder cousin. There are even liquids that form glassy solids, skipping the crystalline phase entirely. In the world of extreme physics, boiling and freezing at the same time is just the opening act. Here's the part that breaks people's brains. Triple point shows us that states of matter aren't fixed. They're not categories, they're conditions. If you tweak pressure and temperature, anything can become something else. Ice can steam, vapor can solidify. Even plasma can behave like a liquid under the right settings. Reality, it turns out, is way more flexible than we think. At the triple point, pressure is everything. If the pressure is too high, water just boils. Too low, it flash freezes. Only in that slim, specific zone does the magic happen. It's like walking a tightrope in a hurricane. Precision is the only way through. Scientists use pressure gauges accurate to fractions of a pascal. And for some materials, like xenon or krypton, hitting their triple points requires massive industrial machines. Physics doesn't play fair, it plays precise. Ready for another twist? Boiling doesn't always mean heat. At low pressure, water boils at room temperature, or even colder. That's why your saliva would boil off your tongue instantly on Mars. Horrifying, right? In a vacuum, boiling is just water trying to escape, regardless of temperature. It turns out, boiling isn't about how hot something is. It's about whether the pressure is low enough to let go. Getting the triple point on film is insanely tricky. Scientists use sealed glass tubes, slow-motion lenses, and ultra-clean environments. Even a speck of dust can ruin the shot. But when they nail it, you see steam, liquid ripples, and frost all dancing together. It looks alien, beautiful, almost unreal. These videos are studied by physicists, teachers, and students alike. Because witnessing the triple point isn't just seeing science, it's watching the laws of nature do yoga. To most people, triple point looks like a party trick, but to scientists, it's a universal constant, something so reliable, it defines measurement systems. Before the redefinition of the Kelvin in 2019, the triple point of water literally anchored the temperature scale. That's how stable it is. One weird, boiling, freezing moment holds together industries, medical tech, space exploration, and climate science. It's not a glitch, it's a pillar. The triple point is a reminder that the universe doesn't care what makes sense to us. One moment, we think water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. The next, it's doing both simultaneously, just because the math allows it. Reality bends when pressure and temperature align just right. So, next time you see a glass of water, remember, under the right conditions, it can defy logic, break the rules, and do things you'd never believe unless you saw it yourself.